The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Welcome everybody to the second half of LinkTrust training. Just to give you an idea, the second half of this training is going to be covering the affiliates all the way out to the community. So we're going to go and click straight on in and get right on into the training today. Under the Affiliates tab, if you notice on the left menu bar, you'll notice the Create Affiliate. We're going to go through the creating of an affiliate and then the affiliate details first, and then we'll come back to this screen and follow it down through the left menu bar. The first part here, creating an affiliate, is actually quite simple. There's only a few required features that are needed. The company name, first name, last name, and email address. Once you create an affiliate, it automatically will redirect you to a screen that looks just like this, the affiliate details screen. The ability to create a quick affiliate is nice. If you have somebody already on the phone, you don't need to worry about all of their demographics right away. You can come back to the affiliate details and fill these in later. You also have the ability to change your username and password for the affiliate, so it makes it much easier than having to go by the affiliate ID number that's automatically assigned to them. But keep in mind, the ID number or AFID number is used in the tracking URL. The next portion here is the affiliate fraud score. This is a very helpful tool to be able to see what's going on with your affiliates and how they are, if they are duplicating within your own system, or if they have been suspended or denied across the entire LinkTrust platform with other partners as well. So because this is a snapshot in time, you can get a rescore at any time. You'll notice that when it rescores, the numbers here will just change just slightly. And now I can actually go into the report at any time by clicking on any of the three numbers that are hyperlinked at the bottom. When clicking on these numbers, it opens up the affiliate fraud score screen. Now, as I said before, it does three different things. It's going to take these 5 pieces of information and it's going to compare them with your own affiliate pool. So the phone number for this affiliate's account matches this many affiliate accounts in my own system. So I've got a duplicate phone number in there. So it kind of helps you to know, oh wait, is there a duplicate account? Do I need to deactivate or suspend one of the accounts? The other portion is down here at the bottom. And the bottom area is a little bit of a different function. This area here is still going to take the 5 different pieces of information, but now it's looking across the entire LinkTrust platform for matches. So you can see the phone number matches, the address matches, tax ID matches, and it matches to multiple networks. Now, unfortunately, we can't give you what those networks are because that opens up to different liabilities. However, this does give you a little bit of a picture. You can see when the account was suspended or denied, the dates that are associated with those, and you can see what columns or pieces of information are matching. So if this was a brand new affiliate and I'm evaluating whether or not I want to work with them and I've never met them before, I would come in here and I would look at this. And this may cause some warning signs. So we're not saying that there is fraud, but what we are saying is that there is a lot of activity with suspended and denied accounts across multiple networks with these different pieces of information. So it helps you to kind of give a double check or maybe give you an extra due diligence to decide whether or not you wish to work with this affiliate. The other areas of the affiliate details start off with the account information. You've got your primary account. The primary affiliate manager here is going to be the one that has their information that's pulled into the affiliate center. So whoever is the primary managing person for this account, you want to put them up there. And for convenience, you can assign additional managers so that the security rights for each individual account can be used appropriately. When doing your diligence on vetting out a potential affiliate, one of the important things to know is what kind of traffic that affiliate is able to run. Based on the call that you have with them, you'll be able to know, are they associated with an affiliate network, and what type of traffic does this affiliate, are they able to run? The nice thing is this. If you have a lot of offers in your system and you want your affiliate's traffic or your affiliate to be able to be matched up with campaigns automatically based on their affiliate traffic type, you can do so. So if this affiliate can only do email and they're not affiliate network, then this gives me the ability to have this affiliate only see campaigns that are for affiliates and that are not associated with a network. The good old notes, being able to place notes on affiliates, keep updates going on. The alternate ID is very helpful if you're working with a CRM or a customer resource management system. So that is something that you can use. If you need more information on how to integrate this with your CRM, our support team can help you with that. The next area is the additional data 1, additional data 2. These are just for convenience when creating a custom form. You can group your affiliates, which is very helpful, based on performance or conditions that you specify or need for your business model. Now, these are system-generated groups. You don't have to use ours. You can, by coming back to the main original screen under affiliate, you'll notice on the left menu bar, Manage Groups. That way you can use those groups to create your own or to reassign people from one group to another. And of course, down here at the bottom, you can suspend your affiliate. So if this is an affiliate that's causing problems, you can suspend it. If it's just causing, if it's like a duplicate, to be able to soft delete them, you need to suspend them as well. But you can put in some suspension comments so everybody knows what's happening. The next area of the affiliate details is their payment details. Now, if they signed up using your affiliate sign-up form, then this information is going to be populated into the system for you. If they didn't and you created them, you'll want to request that information or allow them to fill out their tax documentation online, which is through the electronic W-8W-9. This link is for the convenience of the accountant. This allows you to pull up your W-8W-9 and print it off so you can have a hard copy of the electronic signed tax documentation. The next area is your assigned campaigns and your unassigned campaigns. This is basically the unassigned campaigns are campaigns that the affiliate is not able to run or is not eligible to run based on they didn't select it or the status was a private live status. So if I wanted an affiliate to run one of these offers, I have them on the phone, I'm talking to them about it, maybe ringtone city, I can come over here and just select the green plus sign. By selecting the green plus sign, it is now assigned to the affiliate. Now that it's assigned to the affiliate, we can go to the assigned campaign. Here, we've got a list of all the campaigns that this affiliate is eligible to run. These campaigns, there's a variety of things that you can do. You can block all their traffic. So if for some reason an affiliate is sending in completely bogus traffic all across the board for a specific campaign, you can select this icon here, and as you'll notice, it changes to red, signifying that the traffic is blocked. So if those links are still out on the internet and people are still clicking on those links to a campaign that's blocked, if you remember from our previous training on Tuesday, for each campaign, you can actually designate where the blocked traffic will go. You can redirect it either to another campaign or to another URL. You can also, by selecting the wrench, edit their payout and also block traffic based on a sub-ID. So if I have multiple sub-IDs that are causing problems, but I also have good traffic that is coming in, and I don't want to block that, I can put in on a new line each additional sub-ID. LinkTrust will match those and will block the traffic coming in from those sub-IDs and keep all the good traffic. In addition, if I have a brand new affiliate, I've just given them the opportunity to run an offer, and I don't know the quality of their traffic, but I'd like to test it out. It's very simple. You can tell them that you're going to place a cap on their traffic. So for this Easy Debt Busters, which is a lead gen type campaign, I want to put a traffic cap for this affiliate. So I enable the traffic cap, and I say I want him to be able to put 100 leads a day, and I also want to put in there that when it gets to about 90%, that it's going to email the affiliate manager. So these are all emails of the affiliate manager. But it also adds in the affiliate email, being able to give them notice so that they can pull their links and they don't aren't surprised that their traffic is being redirected somewhere that they weren't expecting. In addition to the basic controls of a campaign, over here on the right side is where you can place their pixel. Tuesday, we talked about being able to allow the affiliate to place their own confirmation pixels, or you placing their confirmation pixel on their behalf. If you give them the ability to place their own confirmation pixel and they go into the affiliate center and they place it, it will show up here, just like it says here. This campaign has a server-side pixel assigned to it. And I can come in here and I can review the confirmation pixel that the affiliate put in. But if my affiliate emailed me their confirmation pixel for, let's say, Netflix, it's very simple. I can come in here, select the link, it opens it up. Let's say they gave me a JavaScript pixel for this one. It already tells me I need to make sure that it's secure because the confirmation page is secure. LinkTrust places the code on your behalf already. All you need to do is place the URL right here in the center box. Now, your affiliate may request to have information passed back to them on their confirmation pixel. So they're going to ask, can you send me the transaction ID that is for each transaction that occurs? It's very simple. You can select the tokens button here to the right. You'll notice on the tokens button, it'll show a list of all the tokens that you can pass back to the affiliate. So if my affiliate wants to receive a transaction ID back, I can copy the trans ID out of here. I can then put it into their confirmation pixel where they request me to put it and save it. And now it'll send that back every time. In addition to this, you have this open text box down here at the bottom. This open text box is for you only. It allows you to place additional code for each conversion to be pulled down to the confirmation page. So if my affiliate has more than one confirmation pixel, first I need to make sure that my confirmation pixel is a JavaScript confirmation pixel. And if it is, then this additional code box will open up and allow me to place multiple pixels or maybe Google Analytics or other pieces of code to be pulled down for each conversion. Your affiliate, when they place their own confirmation pixel, will not have this bottom section available to them. That is the security aspect of confirmation pixels. So now we've gone through the assigned and the unassigned campaigns. There's one more aspect I want to touch on, and that is the global pixels. The global pixels is the ability to place a single pixel that your affiliate designates for every single campaign. And it's very simple. You can do edit global pixel. This interface looks very similar. You select which one they gave you. Maybe they gave you a JavaScript pixel. You place it in. You select OK. This will automatically place in every campaign that does not have a pixel assigned. It will place the global pixel into this area. Anything that already had previously a pixel will not be placed or overwritten by the global pixel. The next area is the tiered affiliates. Now, tiered affiliates or referred affiliates is probably a more common name for them. It's quite simple. So if I was the affiliate, I'm Amazing Conversions here, and I used my unique tracking link or referral link, and I sent it to 3 of my friends. They used this link, signed up as affiliates in your network, and when you approved them, they were automatically assigned to me as a referred affiliate. Now the system can give them a default bonus commission right off the bat, or you can come in here at any time and change any of these bonus commissions. If for some reason a referred affiliate does not use your sign-up form here, and you would like to get commission for them or to make sure, you can always manually add one over here on the right. So this one, Hypermedia by Jack Black, he generated $100 in commission. With a 3% commission, I am going to get a $3 bonus added to the commissions that I generate. So that's kind of the theory. It's a one-level, deep tiered affiliate commission. The next area is this email compliance. Now, this is a free service that Lashback is offering. If you do decide to turn this on, it's either an on or off for all campaigns or not, then it gives you this nice little reporting area for some simple reporting. If for some reason you find that your affiliate is abusing their links and it's showing up in this Lashback report, then you can come in here and get some basic reporting. And if you need more advanced reporting, you can then subscribe to the advanced features of Lashback. The last area on this affiliate details is this little green arrow. You're going to see this in a couple places. You see it here, you see it on the affiliate search screen here. It all means the same thing. The green arrow is basically the ability to assume the affiliate's profile when logging into the affiliate center. So my affiliate calls me up and says, hey, I can't find such and such an offer, or can you help me figure out how to place my confirmation pixel? You can do that by just clicking on the whole link there. It automatically now just logged me in to the affiliate center as if I was the affiliate. So here we've got the affiliate. We can have some basic reporting that's going on. Of course, this is all customizable through the features on the home menu that we discussed on the last webinar. And lastly, we have the ability to come in here and you can actually see what they see, their account section. The affiliates can see what information they have here. They can manage their tax documentation and re-save it if they need to correct it. They can come back here and they can check out the APIs that they're assigned to. They can request offers. And if you notice when they request an offer that 3 of these have no image and 1 of them does. This is during the campaign setup, the ability to save a logo. As you can see, with the campaign logo there, it looks more polished. So that's why we recommend that as one of the best practices. And of course, they can request the offer, and if they're auto-assigned, they get to run the offer immediately. Then we have the offers that they're assigned to. Again, it's showing some images here that are missing and some that are complete. Also, they have here the ability as the affiliate to add or to get their creative and to add their own confirmation pixel. So if I, as an affiliate, wanted to add my confirmation pixel, this campaign only allows me to place a server-side pixel. Generally, that means that my merchant, or the person that I'm running this offer for, is only placing a server-side pixel. So then I can put the URL right in there. Now your affiliate has a little bit different set of tokens to be able to send data back to them. So they don't have the full range that you have purely because there's some security aspects. They also can come in and get their creative. So if I get the creatives, it logs me in, it gets all the offer detail information, and the creatives are all down here at the bottom. The nice thing is that if you remember in our last training, we talked about the tracking URL token that's placed in all the creatives. I'm going to click on the Get Code here, and before, in the Partner Center, it said, this is your tracking link. And it was just the tracking token. But now that I'm on the affiliate side, you can see the entire affiliate tracking URL. And its uniqueness because it has the affiliate's ID number, it's got the ADID in there. All the affiliate needs to do is place a sub-ID, and they're ready to run. And the last part of the Affiliate Center is the reporting section. The affiliates have some reports that are in here that they can come in and get their details. Now we're going to go back. We've completed all of the affiliate detail section, and we want to come back to the affiliate screen here. On the affiliate screen, we're now going to go down the left menu bar. We already did the creating affiliate. But if your affiliates are coming in through your affiliate sign-up form, they're going to show up here on the affiliate pending application screen. Here you can do a variety of things. You can see some basic information. You can look at their affiliate fraud score. You can click on their details to evaluate who they are and if you want to work with them. If you don't get a hold of them, you can place notes, and you can keep track of your contacts in trying to get a hold of a potential affiliate. And lastly, you can approve or deny them from this screen. Now, if you approve them, they're going to get the approval email. If you deny them, they're going to send the denied email. Unless you check this box, it will suppress the denied email. You can, as well on this screen, do massive approvals and denials straight from here. And again, you can block the denied email address from going out. But if you deny any affiliates, you do have the ability here to recover denied affiliates. This makes it very easy so that you can basically recover them by approving them and denying them again. Or you can't deny them and deny it again. The next area is you have multiple campaigns that are showing up in your affiliate center, and you have affiliates that are requesting to run offers. This is probably more for the larger partners that have multiple campaigns, but any affiliate that requests to run an offer, their names are going to show up here with the details of when they requested it. And then, of course, you can come in here and you can approve or deny them. You can also recheck their affiliate details to make sure you know who they are. Now that the affiliates are running their offers and getting ready to pay affiliates, you can do a single recording a payment for an affiliate. This is basically a communication platform. This allows you to tell your affiliates when they're going to be paid next. So you can simply come in here, select your affiliate, select the date that you're going to pay them. Maybe you can tell them how much they're going to be paid. It's probably very helpful. Maybe there's a check fee because we are going to be doing checks. Or if they do another payment type, you can select that. And maybe they even sent you an invoice, and then you can put some notes in here. So the internal notes are here on the payment notes. There's an external note to your affiliate. And you record the payment. Now that this payment is recorded, your affiliate in the Affiliate Center has a link to see the payment history and the payment record. In addition, when you're making these payment records, you may want to view them so that you can approve or look at them and make any changes if necessary, and it's very easy through the View Payments area. Here, you can edit them if you make a mistake. You can delete them if you don't need them. You can also view the company or information about that affiliate. And it also gives you all the other demographics of the record payment and who created it. So that is doing it on a very single basis. Now you can also use the import payment model, which is using these simple instructions, creating them, putting them into a CSV file, and importing them into the system. If you want to not have to do import and you don't want to do it on a one-by-one basis, when we get to the reports area, in the reports area, I'll be able to show you where there's a button to be able to massively create these for a certain payment type, so that it makes it much easier to do it for all of your affiliates much quicker than having to do it on a one-by-one basis. Now that we've gone through the record payments and the view payments, we want to communicate to our affiliates. So when we use the send message feature, the send message feature is a very helpful tool in being able to update affiliates for different activities that are occurring. So if an offer is getting ready to expire, I can specify who I want this to go out to. I also can specify that I want it to go to all of the affiliates of a specific campaign. So I come in here, I can specify my campaign, and I can make up my email in HTML or a simple text and send it out. But before I send it out, I want to make sure it's personalized to my affiliate. So over here on the right side, we got the tokens area. These are tokens that are available to use when sending messages to make it that much more personalized. Also, before I send the message, I really want to send it to somebody internal. I can put an email address in there and send it a test message so that now I've got another set of eyes looking to make sure that it looks professional and complete. The last part is, now that it's satisfied with the way it looks and who it's going to, I can simply go send message, and LinkTrust will send the notifications out to the affiliate. The next area is the mass action. So let's say that I just sent a message to all of my super affiliates, and I just told them that I have a brand new campaign that I'm only going to let them run. Well, if I have 40, 50 super affiliates, I really don't want to have to go to each account and manually assign the campaign to them on a one-by-one basis. It's a lot of work. So the mass action area allows me to do a variety of things. I can either send it to all affiliates, or I can follow my scenario, and I'm going to send it just to my super affiliates. And I'm going to select the campaign that I just told them about, the Flows Diner. Here, I'm going to assign them Flows Diner, and I'm going to give them a payout of $15. And I just authorize, and now every super affiliate automatically has this campaign at $15. There's a variety of other things that you can do. You can also go through and reverse it. You can unassign an offer, block the traffic for that offer, or you can come in here and you can actually change the payout to whatever you wish in a massive format. Now, keep in mind that these were all system-generated groups. You don't need to follow these groups. You can come over here to the Manage Group section, and by doing so, you've got, I used to use search tier number 1, but you know what? I'm really just going to put them all into one tier. So I'm basically reassigning all my affiliates that were in this group to this group, so that I'm kind of consolidating. And if I really don't want to use any of those, I can come down here and create my own group, so I can match what my company needs. With that, we've gone through everything on the affiliate side of things. The next section we're going to go to is the merchant section. And for most of you, this is probably the fastest section to go through. If you're brokering offers from somebody else who owns the offer, for each of those offers or owners of the offers, you're going to create a merchant account for them. If you are the merchant, meaning you own your offer, then you're only going to have one merchant account, and that's you and your company. So the tools that are available in creating a merchant account are pretty simple. One, you can get all of your custom information for the contact as well as the company information all in one place so you don't lose it. You can also come down here and you can place the merchant's reporting information. Often, a merchant or advertiser has their own tracking platform anyway, and they are tracking in real time as well, and it's your responsibility often to go and check those numbers to match them from LinkTrust to their system. So they're going to give you a URL, and they're also going to give you the username and the password to that. What a great place to store right here. You don't have to go fishing in emails or other type of security software. It's already there for you. So merchant accounts are very simple to do. If you do have a merchant, actually, that does not have a tracking platform and would like to log in to the system and view their stats on what's going on, you can do that by creating a username and a password for them. And then you just give them this URL, and they will then be able to go through and use that account to view all the stats. So very helpful stuff. And that's pretty much it on the merchant side of things. The next area that we're going to go to is the reporting. The reporting is very easy. The best thing about it is that the majority of our partners enjoy the campaign performance and the affiliate performance report the most. They're actually the same report, but they're flip-flopped. They're backwards from each other. And the reason that is it makes it very easy to find the information you're looking for by coming from one end or the other. Another nice thing is that all of these reports that you see here and here are embedded into these two top reports. So we do allow you to still go to the daily breakout report or a sub-ID report. But here you've got to select the date range, you've got to select the affiliate and the campaign that's going to be associated with that. And if you select the campaign, the affiliate, and the date range that doesn't have what you're looking for, it gets a little discouraging. So the beauty of it is you can simply come into the campaign performance report, and you'll notice in the campaign performance it lists out all the campaigns that are performing. And on any of these, I can come in and select the plus sign next to them, and it shows me the affiliates that are driving traffic to this offer. As well as you can also see here, all of these icons right here, as well as these two icons there, these are all those sub-reports. So if I need to come in here and I say, well, you know, Kids Internet is running Netflix, I want to check a sub-ID report. I click on the sub-ID report, and it tells me that I have 5 transactions that came from Yahoo, and then I have 18 transactions that don't have any recording at all. So this is helpful to be able to quickly jump to the information that you need right away. In addition to viewing the traffic in this format, you'll notice that there's hyperlinks under the Q and under the A column. Just to quickly understand, your I is for impressions, Q is for C is for your clicks, Q is for your qualified transactions, and A is for approved transactions. The difference is a qualified transaction is basically a technological statistic. It's saying that the redirect dropped the cookie, that then the confirmation pixel found the cookie and reported home, or the IP backup found it, or you did a server-side pixel. Whatever the technology of the tracking that took place, it's going to record it so you have a gross or an aggregate of that. But, you know, I may have 35 transactions that came in from Amazing Conversions, but maybe one of those transactions was a fraudulent credit card, and I need to reverse it. So if I reverse it, I come into the 35. It pulls up my transaction details, which gives me all my details of that individual transaction, all the way from the click IP address, the conversion IP address, the click refer and the conversion refer. How did this convert? This one converted through a cookie, as well as it gave me a merchant reference ID, so hopefully there's some information the merchant's passing back, like a transaction ID. So this one here has NA, and this one has NA, and this one has NA. So sometimes if you are doing a conversion and it has NA and your merchant says that they're going to send back a special code, then it kind of gives you a warning on, uh-oh, what are these transactions coming from if they're not coming from my merchant? So what we're going to do is we're just going to reverse the second one. To reverse the transaction, I simply click on my wrench and I say, it's now not approved, and I update it. By doing this, I can come back here, I can refresh my screen, and you'll notice under the Netflix that it now says 35, and then it says 34. The 34 is meaning that I'm only going to pay for 34 transactions. Yes, 35 came through as a technological qualified transaction. So that's what happens when you reverse it. That's when you'll see a discrepancy. Basically, this is still gross in real time, and these are some adjustments. So you can also see there's an adjustment right up there. Let's just look at this report really fast in its reversed format. So an affiliate manager then comes in, and they want to see the performance of their affiliates. Here, it lists out all the affiliates that are performing here. In addition to that, it gives you the campaigns that this affiliate is running, and you can then go in and see these. And you can have all those same reports. So that's why it's so helpful to be able to have these sub-reports embedded into your main reports. The next report that we look at is your affiliate commission report. The affiliate commission report is very helpful for paying your affiliates at the end of the month or end of the week or whatever your time frames are on this. So the first part of it is you can specify in the search criteria that there is a what payment type your affiliate is going to be paid on. So if I want to pay my PayPal people, I can click on that and I can regenerate it. And I only have one, Amazing Conversions. The beauty is PayPal has a massive import feature on paying people through PayPal. Well, we also give you the ability to export your PayPal file. You can put in a description end of August. You can record, if you remember the single recording of those record payments. Well, now I can do a massive, if there are multiple things, multiple affiliates to be paid, I can do record payment here, and it'll automatically record in the system. And I can export the file, go to PayPal, and import it quickly. I can also do that with the other 3 companies that have been integrated into LinkTrust: Payoneer, PayQuicker, and EntroPay. All of those companies also have the ability to export it out of LinkTrust and import it straight into their other systems. So here you can, check out some basic stats, come in, look at some other stats, maybe make some modifications and so forth. But the nice thing is you can export this either to a CSV or export it for your QuickBooks file. Now that we have gone through the reports, the next area that we're going to go through is the community. And the community is a very helpful tool in a couple ways. One, it allows you to share your offer, if your business model allows, to other LinkTrust partners and networks. So how does this work? Right off the bat, when you select the community, you're dropped onto the offer board. The offer board has a list of all of the offers that are available for other LinkTrust partners and networks to run. This is not a publicly facing area right now. So if I was a LinkTrust partner and I said, oh, you know what, I can make a killing on this Pain Fighter. I want to run this offer. All I need to do is I come over here to Get Offer. Now, this company, I don't have a relationship with them yet because I didn't even know they existed, or I just haven't met them. So I need to, before I can take this offer, I need to contact them, and I can do it in 2 different ways. I can use this information that's here on the right side, or I can select here, submit an affiliate application. Here, I can fill out the affiliate's application, and then, after I fill it out, then I can call them and say, hey, I've already filled this out. Once I have a relationship, a connection is what we call it, with this merchant, because I'm going to be their affiliate, I can now come back and I can say, okay, I want to run this offer. I can put my affiliate's username and password to this account and hit connect. And if I'm not assigned to that offer, it'll request to run that offer. If I am assigned to run that offer, then it'll give me the ability to copy this offer into my LinkTrust account. And so I can actually copy all the details, all the creatives, everything over into my campaigns immediately. And when I do that and copy them across, it'll look like, I believe this is one right here, it'll look just like this. It'll have a note on what happened, where did this offer come from, as well as what information actually was copied across and what is not copied across. So now that it's copied across, I can come in here and I can start running this offer, saving a lot of time on having to do this on a manual inputting basis. The other aspect of being able to make those connections is when you are creating a new campaign. When creating a new campaign, I can do the copy from a connection. I select this radio button, I can select the merchant that I'm working with, and then I can select the offer that I want to copy across, and then come in here and create the campaign. So there's 2 ways of manually pulling it across. So that's the beauty of doing the offer board and sharing offers. One, you can just do it quietly, where you can create a connection with another merchant or another affiliate. And you can do that just by sending codes back and forth, so you don't have to use the visual interface. Or you can use the visual interface and connect up that way. So that way you can keep things private and discreet, or very public and or outward facing. You also have the ability in the offer board to promote your offers to the offer board. So if you need or you wish to get more traction, more people to run your offer, you can do so. You can take your offers from your campaigns area and you can promote them to the offer board. Here, under My Offers, will list just the offers that you have promoted. This gives you the ability to go in and manage which offers you still have in the offer board. You can also feature offers. So if you have one you want at the top of the list, come in here, get your offer to be promoted to the top. The last part is the profile. And the profile, I really probably should have hit a little bit first, but it's kind of one of those things you don't use that often, so we put it down here at the bottom. Before you can put any offers on the offer board, you must fill out your offer board profile. This allows other people to make sure that they know who they're working with and to get a hold of you appropriately. Now that you've been using the offer board, you're making connections. Here we've got the connection area. Under the connections, it gives you the ability to know who you're working with so that you can obviously go in and say, well, I've already got a connection with this group. Okay, now I know I'll go to their offers in the offer board, and I know that I can just request those very easily. So it's just kind of a way to sum up who you're working with. Now that we've gone through, that's all the public-facing stuff of the community out to other LinkTrust partners and networks. The next part of the community is how you are working with us as a LinkTrust company. The first part is the suggestion box. We understand that LinkTrust does not have everything you need in a tracking platform, but we want to know what is important to you in your business so that we can incorporate those into our development views. This next one here is under the new features, is that every profile, every user account that you have in LinkTrust is given 15 votes. You can take these 15 votes and you can come through here and you can see what other people have voted on. So if I think that setting a payout for an affiliate by creative or sub-ID is important, I can click on vote and then I can specify how important is it to me. And I can use up to 3 votes for each of these. And then I can come down here and say, well, you know what, this one is very important to me too. I want to put some votes into that. By doing this, it allows us to know what you need and being able to do. If this is not working for you, you can't find what you need, please email us at support@linktrust.com on your features, and one of our support team representatives will probably come, work with you on getting some more details so that we fully understand it, and then we can move it on to product development or any development use. The next area that you have on the community is the cashier. The cashier is a great way of making sure that you're financially sound with us, LinkTrust. You can get your invoices, you can pay your LinkTrust licenses and fees, all through this interface. If you don't have the email and the password, your accounting person doesn't have this for some reason, email us at cashier@linktrust.com and we'll get this information out to you. The next area is support. We want you to be successful, and there's a variety of support packages that are out there. There's some that include phone support and IM support, and those would be our network licenses. We have our merchant licenses that are for email support and IM. But there are times where we're closed and you may need some information. There are times where people need industry knowledge, not necessarily LinkTrust knowledge as well. So we're trying to incorporate those in 2 different ways. One, in LinkTrust, as you're going through the system itself, you'll see that there's a lot of green links throughout the system. So I may have this and say, well, campaign names, what does that mean? It opens up our in-system support documentation. But there may be times where you need some additional information. So you can come here to the support area, and on the support area, you can come down and you'll see whether we have different announcements that are going on, like upgrades, new features, system maintenance, industry problems that are occurring that affect us and the way people track their offers, as well as the frequently asked questions. Now, a lot of people look at frequently asked questions as something that they just, it doesn't have what they need. We hope that this will change the way you look at them. For instance, how do I pass data between an affiliate, a merchant, and LinkTrust? How do I use Fiddler to test my pixel? If you aren't sure how to test your affiliate pixel, with your system and your merchant system, this is a great place to come and to understand these things. This is some industry knowledge information that you will be able to use to make you a better employee and therefore a faster person to resolve problems. And you can come into any of these areas here, you can click on them, and we try to give you some step-by-step instructions on what we're talking about so that you can use these tools and incorporate them in your business to speed your processes up. So hopefully the support area is very helpful to you. The last area that we see in the community is the Geek Speak. This is where our developers like to talk about different things that they're interacting with, whether it's new technologies or problems with the industry or items that are facing them and their development. You can come in here if you're tech savvy and interested and read up on this information. Another piece that's probably more important for everybody in general is off here to the right. You can link up with us to our Facebook, Twitter, our blog, which constantly has updated information about tips of the week or information that goes on about these webinars or maybe new features that are coming out. If you can subscribe to these, you're going to be first to know on what's going on with LinkTrust. And so hopefully that's a good help for you. The last part that you'll see here on the community at the bottom is the terms and conditions. Now, every user account in the system that tries to enter the community for the very first time will land on the terms and conditions and must agree or disagree. Now, I've already logged into this account for multiple training, so that's why we did not see this at the very beginning. So, we've completed the training. We've gone through everything from the home menu all the way out to the community. The next part that's most important is we want you to be successful. If you are low in traffic, we have tools to our disposal, people that we can help you to get in contact with to increase traffic. If you have industry knowledge that you would like to share and help us to make the system a better system, contact us at support@linktrust.com. If you have problems with the system, pain points, or anything that you would like to improve in the system, again, call us, email us, so that we can get those things documented and put into the development queues. So hopefully that this training was helpful to you. We look forward to your success, and thank you very much for participating. Bye-bye.